Welcome to AlarvyCAD Duct Tutorial Video 14 for Cylinder-Cylinder Intersection Duct. Click on Intersection menu and choose Cylinder-Cylinder Intersection option. The default parameter values are fixed in the parameter UI of the Cylinder-Cylinder Intersection Duct, which can be modified by the user. Other unfold options such as unfold reference, K-factor, Boolean type, number of bend lines and unfold are available for the user. Changes may be done in the default value if required. Press Create button for creating the duct in the graphical user interface. In GUI, the top view of the cylinder-cylinder intersection duct is displayed along with 3D dimensions. The user may enter the values for the parameters of cylinder-cylinder intersection duct in the parameter UI for obtaining different dimensions of the duct. The user may rotate the model to the desired orientation using mouse left click and drag. The user may change the parameters of cylinder-cylinder intersection in the GUI also. There are 3 Boolean type options available based on type of intersection between cylinder and cylinder. The orientation of cylinder 2 with reference to cylinder 1 for option 1, option 2 and option 3 is represented in the figure. For obtaining the DXF file of the unfold profile, Save DXF option is available. The user can obtain the GLTF file format by using the Save As option. The step file of 3D model, DXF file of the unfold profile and the GLTF file of the 3D model with the unfold profiles are obtained as output. Thank you for watching AlarvyCAD Duct tutorial for cylinder-cylinder intersection duct.